All right, guys, we've got a decent day playing out for us as of right now. The overall market is up just shy of 2%. We're going to take a look at why the crypto market's up. We've got MicroStrategy making some move. They've bought quite a bit more Bitcoin. And overall, the consensus is good. And so, want to just share with you what's going on and take a look at a few of the top cryptos, talk about the latest news and how it impacts you and your crypto. That's what we're going to cover. My name's Austin. Cover crypto every single day. Do two things: hit that like, hit that subscribe here on YouTube. If you're watching this on X, please give me a follow if you like what I'm doing for you. Okay, so as I said, crypto market cap 3,750,000,000,000. Fear and greed index is still showing at a 50, but this is a day behind, kind of lagging indicator. I think we're going to start seeing that move more towards the middle, kind of that yellow region. I tend to like it to be kind of like in that towards the right on the yellow and in that light green. That's where I really like us to be as far as kind of where I'm at in my opinion. Crypto RSI, look, we're inching towards overbought, but we still got a long way to go. And again, we're right in the square in that kind of middle ground. I like that. That shows that we're not overbought, not oversold, kind of middle, really good runway to to continue to gain momentum and see assets go up in value. We got Bitcoin back up over a 111. We got Ethereum back up over 4,000, XRP back up over $2.40. Things are looking pretty good in some of the top assets. 24-hour, we got Floki leading the charge, 25%, Synthetic, Zcash, 19, 16% respectively. And so let's talk about why the market is up. Okay, so we've got a technical rebound, oversold RSI and MACD divergence hinted at relief rally. Yep. Okay, we got that going on. We got institutional coming in, some good capital, 102 million flowing into doing ETF inflows. We had, as I said at the top of the video, MicroStrategy bought some more Bitcoin, which is good. They continue to be a really good bellwether of continuing to buy Bitcoin and showing the strength of their belief and their corporate direction in Bitcoin. Again, I think that's a good thing. It's I tend to look at what MicroStrategy does quite a bit. I like that they buy all the time, and that's a good thing. So I haven't done this. I haven't taken a look at what's going on over on the stock side. So let's do this blind here. Okay, wow, we got the stocks up. Make sure you guys can see this. Yeah, right below my picture there, you'll see the Dow 30 is up 305, Nasdaq's up 284. Stocks rise of China talks, earnings flurry on deck. Okay, so we've got again the upcoming meeting between the United States and China. I think that a lot of what we've been seeing going back and forth is negotiation between the United States, between the president of the United States and the president and his staff of China. And I think that that's really what we're seeing. I think that we're seeing a lot of shots across the proverbial bow, to use that kind of that ship analogy, where you got two battleships kind of shooting at each other. They don't mean to hit each other. They're just shooting, they're just shooting across the bow, like, okay, hey, we're serious, all that kind of stuff. Ultimately, I think we will end up at a place where this will be decided, because there's trillions and trillions of dollars of trade here and commerce, and that's not going to go away. Okay. The United States needs their Chinese goods, and the United States, China definitely wants our capital, wants our money as far as payment for those goods and things of that nature. So again, I think we'll see things play out here in the near future. Now, I've been talking about this. A couple things will happen here is if the meeting gets canceled, or if the meeting doesn't go really well between the United States and China, you're going to see all major assets go down. Crypto, stocks, everything's going to go down. And stocks are 100% tied to equities right now, tied to stocks. Apologize for the way I've sounded. I think I've got like a chest cold thing here going on. So yeah, I sound a little bit off. I've been coughing a lot, so I apologize in advance for that. So, but I wanted to make this content for you guys. Okay. So I think, again, if we see that canceled or any kind of negative results out of the meeting, i.e., there's not movement forward on trying to resolve this trade dispute, I think we'll see some possible downside in our crypto assets. And as I mentioned, stocks and crypto are definitely tied to each other. You saw the stock side, stocks are up. You can see this dramatically. people are buoyant, if you will, thinking that we're going to get resolution to this. Again, to kind of show you that over on the right here, we got Dow and the Nasdaq's up 300, 282 respectively. Yeah, I think we're going to see, we'll see that corollary between stocks and crypto. And I think it'll continue to play out. Okay. So, real quick before I let you go, I want to show you this. This is right here showing my trading indicator, X1 Algo. Look at this thing. It gave 60 days ago a buy alert. That's a buy alert. And Zcash up 655%. How'd you like to be up 655% if you had known to buy it? That's what the software does. It literally costs a little bit over $1 a day. And it helps you to know when to buy and know when to sell. Notice there's not been any sell order on Zcash, which means my software thinks it's going to continue to run. You can see that. Okay. So if you're interested in kind of getting this, there's a link in the description below to X1 Algo. Use the discount code down there, SP1 at checkout, and you can get instant access to it. Quarterly option is the cheapest. It's literally a little over $1 a day is what it costs. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. So you can try the software really for free because, you're good, right? I like this one. This is one of our members talking about, he set up alerts on 3-minute charts and in 3 days added over almost $2,000 to his balance. Trading with the trend has never been this clear. Already got alerts set up. Everything's good. So they're talking about getting alerts, and alerts are little pop-ups that'll come in on your phone or on your computer, wherever you want them. Tells you when to buy, when to sell. So the alert will execute off of like this. Whenever this momentum up comes in, you set it. Hey, I want an alert on Zcash, for this amount, for this time period, things of this nature. Okay. I have live coaching 3 times a week in the private Discord community behind this. There's a private chat community. You can be part of a community. You're not alone in your journey, all that kind of stuff. So I've done a lot to make you successful with this. And that's my objective, my goal, right? Okay. So links are in the description below. Go check her out if you want to get into this. This is something that I've spent a lot of money to make sure that it is the perfect and best solution to help you make even more money in crypto and know when to buy and when to sell. And by the way, it works for more than just crypto. Like right here, Netflix. This is Netflix chart. You can see right here, and there's the software working, telling you when to buy and when to sell. As I said, Netflix, like right here. See this? Like that's a buy alert to a sell alert, 43%. And then that's Netflix. You can see it. Okay. So you can you can use it on stocks and on crypto. All right. So you get really a 2-for-1 special here. Okay. So check that out. Give it a look. Also, if you're interested, there's a link down there to Inner Circle, something else I have started that this is more of a different thing. This is a kind of a group kind of dynamic here where you get access to a general kind of chat investing group. These are people that are just like you. You can no longer be alone in your journey. You can see my full portfolio. You get buy and sell alerts whenever I buy or sell anything. And we also have the $100 weekly portfolio challenge. Every week I buy $100 worth of crypto. I tell my members what they are, kind of building this portfolio together. So it's really exciting. People are very excited about it. And this thing costs like 90 cents a day. It's $27 a month. Okay. So that's down there as well in the link if you want to give that a look and check that out. I'll see you. Have a good make some money. Bye.